Well, autumn is here. The clocks are going to go back soon. So, what better way to spend a Sunday than coming to the favourite place in the whole wide world, the Brecon Beacons. I've got young Joshua behind me. You will remember him from previous video where I brought him up into the Brecons just to help him out with a few pointers on his riding. And yeah, what a bloody beautiful day it is. I'm not gonna lie, first thing, it was misty, it was horrible, and it was bloody cold. But by the time we got to Wales, it was what you see now. Absolutely bloody beautiful it is. I do love the Brecons. If I was to pick one route out of the whole of the UK that is my go-to route that I absolutely love, this is it. Up through the Brecons. I brought my camper van here once. I'll definitely be coming back for a winter camp here. I just love it. It just showcases how beautiful Wales is. You've got to be careful of the old sheepies, of course. And I'm back on the mighty scrambler, which is nice. And then you just pop over the top and oh, look at it! It's bloody beautiful. Oh, I do love the Brecons. So what's your go-to place? What's the place that, you know, if you keep going back to more than anywhere, what's the route that really does tickle your fancy and just summarises what motorcycles are all about to you? Because for me, this is it. I just love it out here. And I found this route purely by accident, really. When I was developing test riding for Triumph, just came out this way on a Tiger 900 Pro and got lost, really. And sometimes that is the best way to find new roads. Just get lost, because they all lead to somewhere, you know. You're only lost if you've never found ever again. And to be fair, that probably could happen out here, because it is just that vast. It's just, look at it, absolutely bloody beautiful. Oh, I mean, you got to try and keep your eye on the bloody road, because the views are just outstanding. Old sheepies have got their winter coats on. Quite a chill in the air up here. I bet it's about 9-10 degrees up here now. So yeah, I'm back in all the Gore-Tex, the heated jacket, the grips are on. I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. Absolutely bloody beautiful. What is there not to like? Got to say, when I stayed out here in the camper van, oh, what an amazing few days it was. And put the monkeys in the back and we headed here. And there was one certain spot that I was looking for, or that I knew of, and all the way here I was just hoping that it was empty, and it was. And yeah, it was like being in another country. I think sometimes we forget what we have on our doorstep and how beautiful it is. So it's 12:36 now. I probably left home this morning at 7:30, I think it was. Met up with Josh for 8, and I say by lunchtime this is where we are. And it is a full day's riding, and that's the thing, autumn is here. The clocks go back soon. One of those routes that realistically you'd have to set off in the dark and you'd be home in the dark, and you'd miss quite a lot of beautiful Wales. So I thought I'd get one in before the clocks change and the nights are dark and the mornings are dark and our lives are miserable for the next 6 months. Well, till March anyway, till springtime, when all this becomes accessible again. But I think I will come back here in the camper over winter and spend a few days here. Ironically, when I try to explain to people how to get to this point, I can't. I just know it. Names of places mean nothing to me. Absolutely nothing. I would just find a route, embed it in my brain, and I just know how to get here. And I know how to get home. Alright, Mr. Sheepy, it's alright. They're quite calm now, look, this time of year. The young uns have survived the summer. Absolutely beautiful. So last time we stopped for lunch just at the top of this hill. I mean, look at that. Look at that for a view to wake up to in the morning. Look, that's the way to do it. And as long as people respect it and leave no trace, they won't spoil it for the rest of us, and everybody can enjoy this. Everybody! I do love this bike. Bloody love it, I do. Oh! So yeah, last time we had lunch here at the stone table. You can see it's quite busy there today. But yeah, that's where we had lunch last time. We're not having lunch there today. Today, I'm hoping to take Josh through a little bit more before we head for this Devil's Staircase. And there's a little village out there in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna go there and buy ourselves some lunch, have some lunch, and eat it on a mountain, because there's plenty of mountain. And this is all the storm damage from that big storm they had here a few months ago, where it just snapped all the trees, just like twigs. Absolutely devastating. But I'm sure it will recover. I'm sure it will recover. The video where I was running the 5-blade in, because this was the route I did it on, because like I say, if I have to come and do between 300 and 400 mile day, this is where I'm coming. You know, yes, Scotland is beautiful, but damn, it's just so far to go. So many motorway miles to bloody well get there. Whereas Wales, for me, is on my doorstep. And what a bloody beautiful doorstep it is, look. So yeah, when I came on the 5-blade, I was riding along and I spotted this place that I'd never really seen or took notice of before, because I was just concentrating on the ride. But there just happened to be a camper van parked there, and I was like, oh my god, that is bloody amazing. I'm bringing my van back and we're stopping there. Yeah, and I stopped down there, down this little gravel track, and then right on the end, look, is where it ends. A little fire pit, and that is the view you wake up to. Oh, bloody amazing. But anyway, I digressed. You know what? I'm going to stop yabbing for 5 minutes and draining your brains, and just take you on a little adventure through some beautiful scenic scenery. So strap yourselves in. Let's have a little bit of epicness.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since 99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives.
There's my house. There's the house I'd love to buy. Oh, bloody lovely. I could live there. Yes, I bet it's harsh in the winter. I bet it is. But you know what? What a place. What a place. Now you can see why I just keep coming back. I just want more and more. And there's still so much I haven't explored. There's still so much more to see. Absolutely bloody beautiful. Right. Lunch is in the box. So let's go and find somewhere beautiful to eat it. That is for sure. I've got to say, Josh's riding has come on so much from what I've seen today. His position. I always said that he was a thinking rider, and he's proved me right. There's been a lot of times today and throughout the day he's pulled off some cracking overtakes, all because he's planning it, thinking it, and he's in the right position to do it. So yeah, that's off to you, Josh. It's always nice when you see riders progress from what they were to what they now are, and they're better for it, that's for sure. So I'm glad he took on board everything I said to him 5 months ago, and you could see he has. That's the thing. So, oh, what a shame we have to go back up the way we just come down. We would, I mean, if I was here for a few days, I would most definitely go the other way, because I've never been that way. But because I'm only here for the day, I'm going to go back the way I know. And we will be heading, after lunch, for the Devil's Staircase, which isn't as scary as it sounds, but it's a 25% descent.
Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
Well, that was our lunch. What a beautiful place to have lunch, I gotta say. And time is cracking on, to be fair. It's now 20 to 3. I'm a long way from home. But you know what? Who cares? Because this is absolutely bloody awesome. Absolutely bloody awesome. Oh, get yourself to the Brecons, that's all I can say. Come and have some fun. Some fun in the sun, if there is any left. And for you beautiful Welsh people that live here, you lucky buggers. You bloody lucky buggers. Oh, Devil's Staircase. And the camera definitely won't show how steep it is. But it's steep. 25% descent. Down here all the way. Look at that, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I keep saying it. I know I do, but it is. Absolutely love it. Now we're going to stop down here, get some photos, because it's a beautiful photo opportunity. And then we're going to crack on and make our way home on some truly epic roads, that's for sure. Because Wales just keeps giving and giving and giving. It really does.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go.
Well, that is it. That is our day pretty much done. I say pretty much done. That's as much epicness as I can handle for one day. I'm probably about 2.5, 3 hours away from home, and it's 20 past 3 now. So I'm going to end that video today. I just want to say thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed me showcasing you what is my favourite, most favourite route that I have in my arsenal of routes. That's for sure, because this is it, the Brecons. What a place. So as ever, thank you very much. Show us your support, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe out there, stay safe. Never ride faster than your angel can fly.